Hey guys, Robert Knoll with RNR Environmental, once again showing you the difference between our absorbent and sawdust. Here we have 1 cup each of sludge or very wet mud. We're going to take 1/4 teaspoon of our product and add it. It takes 192 teaspoons to make a cup. Here we put 10 1/4 teaspoons of sawdust, and I will continually put 10 at a time so you know where we stand. This is 20. We've already succeeded in passing the paint filter test with our product over here. 30. 40. Still super wet. 50. There's still a little bit here that needs to be agitated on the bottom, but more than enough absorbent to do it. 60. And yet still way too wet to take to a landfill. We've now used 70 times the amount of sawdust compared to the amount of RNR absorbent. 80, and we're not even close to passing the paint filter test. Even at this point, consider how much time, logistics, bulk, freight, trucking you have saved by using RNR absorbents. 90. 100. The sawdust is now starting to have an impact, but consider that's 100 loads, 100 scoops, 100 trucks more, and we're not even done yet. 110. 120. Still wet, water comes off in my hands. 130. And still too wet. 140. We're definitely getting closer. However, sawdust doesn't hold water. As soon as you transport it, the weight will allow the water to leach and leak out. Obviously, many of you have experienced that already. This is why so many customers are using RNR solidification products. Our products will allow you to pass the T-clip, which means you will not leach heavy metals or any hazardous materials into the soil or into the landfill. So I'm running out of time, as you will on your jobs if you use sawdust, and I've added about 20 more scoops here, and I'm still not dry enough to pass the paint filter test for landfill disposal. Depending on your sawdust, this example shows anywhere from 75 to 115 or 20% added bulk.